Good morning. So today I'll be going to Pune. No plans, nothing yet. I'll be doing time lapses. Bye bye.
Told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times, so be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
Here I am to his place. Looks messy. This is how his PG. I was actually planning something coming from the bus, but due to some reason I couldn't shoot like that. The rain, it always interrupts. The rain always mess with your things. You can't shoot it properly then because my DSLR is not that waterproof. Waterproof? It's not even water resistant. So I can't take it that much out. You know, the phone got switched off. So I approached a stranger and called my brother about his location because I wasn't going. We are so much dependent on this technology. Now let's see. We'll be going for some lunch. Lunch of? Abey veg kai non-veg. Obviously non-veg. Refueling. Oh. Carrying so much weights of the floor. Look at the pump in my biceps. Speaking about yesterday's night, it was fun. Like the PG of engineering guys, most of the students are engineer, and like here in my brother's PG, there are different talent. Like a musician, sound producer, gaming producing, then some are filmmaking. 4 of them are in photography. So you know, the best thing is this: different talents at one place. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Yesterday night was lit. Change in 3, 2, 1.
Woke up, told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times, so be strong.
I've been waiting all my life.
My whole life I'm forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. When life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff, I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check. Yes.
Cause I done seen the time go by for too many years now when the stars were aligned. Cause I done seen the time go by.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time